A very good afternoon to all of you friends. A very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Shurojit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on practice legal reasoning question. So since you guys are preparing for CLAT, ALIT, Symbiosis admission test, Maharashtra CET, Jamia Millia, and other host of examination, it becomes absolutely important that you guys are aware of the kind of questions you are probable to get in this particular entrance examination. And for which reason we bring to you this practice legal reasoning sessions on our YouTube platform. So a very warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. So friends, today I'm going to discuss with you some very important legal reasoning passage based question. So let's get started without much ado. But before that, certain important notification. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022 Batch 3. So if you are one of them who is preparing for CLAT 2022, enroll yourself for the crash course for CLAT 2022. In this crash course, you get expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus, weekly performance test, faculty counseling and guidance session, and above all the topics will be discussed and will be covered through live classes and quizzes. So guys, let's start. Today we have a particular passage from the law of contracts. Okay, so here comes a particular passage from law of contracts. Okay, let's read it. Okay, are we done? Fantastic. Moving on to the next slide. Let me know once you guys are done reading with this particular slide also. Okay. Read it very carefully. Read it very carefully, guys. Read it very carefully. Okay. Moving on to the next slide. Are we done? Are we done? I'm sure that a lot of you are guys are discussing about mock test, how much, who has got how much, but let's pay attention to this passage also, right? I understand you guys are all excited about the mock test that of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the next slide. So what is the passage dealing with? The passage deals with what is an offer, what is an acceptance, what are the important elements of an acceptance, that an acceptance must be communicated, it has to be uh, absolutely in those terms and conditions must be taken into account, everything, right? Okay, are we done? Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done? Question number 1 is up there on your screen. A buys the business of B, but B did not inform his creditors that his business has now been transferred by way of a sale to C. C, a creditor of B, places an order with A, who accepted the same and supplied the goods. Later on, C refused to pay as he had debts to settle with B. Now, can B sue C for the amount on the basis of the contract? Let's see the correct answer. Let's see. Okay. No, there was no direct link between B and C. Okay, most of you say B. See, I agree with the fact that there is no link between B and C. I understand that. But amongst B and C, you know that no is the right answer. Which of the following is a better answer? Was there any contract between B and C? It was only between A and B. So there was no contract between B and C ever. Right? Am I clear? So as per the passage, according to the passage, your correct answer has to be option A. Am I clear? Is that clear? So please pay attention to this very session, okay? The correct answer is option A. Question number 2. What should be the right answer? What should be the right answer? The correct answer is very good, is no, there was no valid contract as the essentials were not fulfilled. The essentials of contract. You have to deliver that letter. He forgets it. However, when Andrew comes to visit Simon's shop, he accidentally gets hold of that letter. Is it a valid contract? No, it is not a valid contract. Is that clear? Question number 3. Is there any contract between Adam Zampa and Leon? No contract. Is there a contract between Zampa and Warren? Yes, there exists a contract. So a contract exists between Zampa and Warren, but a contract does not exist between Zampa and Leon. So the correct answer is there was no contract between the parties. How can Leon sue Zampa? Is that clear? Now these are very simple questions. Go through question number 4. Valid contract under section 8. By your action you enter into a contract. Implied contract. Taking a bus ride for a fare determined by the traveling agency without inquiring the price, but continuing to enjoy the ride even after knowing the fare. A. Sitting in a movie hall watching movie where ticket is to be paid at the end. The ticket was displayed at the entrance hall. You saw it and even then you went to watch it. So the correct answer is option C. C happens to be the right answer. Is that clear? Is that clear to all of you? Question number 5. This is acceptance is presumed in the case because by virtue of Ambani's conduct, it is presumed, the acceptance is presumed. Am I clear? The next set of passage. Okay. Okay. Okay, are we done? Are we done? Okay. So the correct answer is, it is a confidential government policy decision and was misused for personal benefit. We had similar question yesterday. Yesterday also we did something very similar, if not the same. Right? Question number 7. Is it insider trading? Will he be acquitted? No, because the proposed government policy has helped someone in making personal gain. Is that clear? Okay. Question number 8. Now, the hacker has hacked into the government website and has disclosed certain valuable information to the insurance company, which the insurance company has used to make huge financial profits or financial gain. So the correct answer is, because the hacker has unlawfully breached the computer security measures for personal gains. Am I clear? Is that clear? Okay. Question number 9. Yes, the minister bought that land, certain plot of land in the proposed new capital at a cheap rate only after knowing the fact that the capital of a state was being shifted from one place to the other. So the correct answer is option B. Option B. Is that clear? The minister has used his knowledge in making personal gains. So guys, if you're liking today's session, do press the like button. Do share this session with your friends who all are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. Question number 10. Now the minister has recklessly was discussing certain government policy relating to the increase of defense budget to a friend. That incentive will be given to domestic manufacturers of weapon in a private meeting, who in turn diverges this to another friend who deals with defense products. So the correct answer over here happens to be option A. Am I clear to each and every one? Am I clear to each and every one of you? Did you all understand? Is that clear? Any doubts? Any doubts whatsoever? You are most welcome to ask me any doubts that you have in your mind. Okay? Any doubts that you guys have? Vaibhav says clear. Okay, we'll have new questions next time. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course, Batch 2 for CLAT 2023 aspirants. If you are one of them who is preparing for CLAT 2023, get yourself enrolled for this particular course. Start your free trial today. In this particular course, you get expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, one-to-one mentorship guidance, and weekly performance test. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, A-Lit, SLAT, B-Lit, Jamia LLB 2022 Batch 2. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very, very much. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Do share this session. Do like this session. Thank you very, very much. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend ahead. Thank you.